thank you so much for joining me today. I do hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos coming up. If you are returning, hey Shug Muffin. Alright y'all, so today I'm bringing another synthetic wig review. It is from the company Joedir, which can be found on Amazon. I have it in the style HT GIANNI and in the color 1B. So before I dive into this video, I'd like to say Happy Veterans Day to everyone. I'd like to give a huge shout out and honor all those who are currently serving as well as those who have served. I greatly appreciate all the sacrifices you make, putting your lives on the line, putting your families on hold. I truly appreciate all of the veterans currently serving and those that have served. I myself am also an Army veteran, so I do know and understand. So that's why I appreciate them so much, because it's not easy. Not an easy job at all. So go out, thank a veteran today. Maybe even buy him a meal or something. Buy him a drink. Just thank a veteran today. All right, so now let's go ahead and dive into this review. I'm going to quickly give you the rundown on this unit. I'm sorry, I'm in a hurry. I have to go pick my husband up from the airport. So I am rushing right now. So, okay, my thoughts on this unit, some of the pros. I love the style. I love the waves. Y'all already know, if you watch me for a while, I love wavy units. Super cute style. I mean, this is a, versatile wig. You can kind of wear this kind of style of wig anywhere. I also love that it's very beginner friendly. There was not a whole lot of work done into this. All I really had to do was cut off the lace, put some foundation in the parting space. I take that back. I did have to manipulate this part a little bit, y'all, because the parting space was really tight and dark. Also, the lace is very brown girl friendly. So if you're my complexion or darker, it'll work. If you're of lighter complexion, you're gonna have to manipulate maybe a little bit, because this is a dark lace. Cap size, y'all. Woohoo! I have a small to medium size head, and this junk is tight. I mean tight. Okay, my bigger head friends, don't even try it. Don't even bother. If I say it's tight, believe me, sis, okay? Believe me. Another con that I found is that this is a shangler. We are shedding and tangling quite moderately to heavily. Just coming out the package. Now, since I brushed her out, I'm not experiencing as much shedding as I was initially. Still the tangling though. There's no gliding in this wig whatsoever. And I noticed it as soon as I pulled it out. I was like, oh yeah, this is gonna be a tangler right here. So you're gonna definitely need a brush on hand with this one. The texture is like kind of a combination of a light silky, light yucky. It's not heavy of either. So it's just a light combination of both. This was a very, very easy unit to throw on and go, kind of like I need to. Very, very easy. Now, as far as the price, I do not honestly have it in front of me, but I will place it on this screen as I'm speaking so that you know the cost of this unit. So that's really it. That's really all I have on this unit. It's not a bad unit. It's very nice. Oh, let me show you the length, y'all. This joint is long. I think we're at like 26, 28 inches. I'm standing on my tiptoes just to show you. And it's like at my waist. And I'm 5'7". I'm no small fry. Like, this joint is long. Alright, so again, that's really all I have. If you made it this far in the video, because it's Veterans Day, go ahead and leave me a United States flag down in the comments below so that I know you watched the whole video. I'm telling you, I'm gonna start giving y'all shout outs for those that are continuously watching my videos to the end. I truly appreciate you. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I'll be sure to catch you all in the next video. Bye y'all.